afternoon, UP College of Pharmacy. I am Jerson Tagibaw, your UPA President under the banner of Sigaw UP. Kung dati ang boss nyo nang ibabaw, ngayon kayo ang mangingibabaw kay Jerson Tagibaw. Now, I'm not here. Toss the joke. We the people. We the students, parallel ang UPA Constitution sa Philippine Constitution. At we the students, isang sinisigaw. Tayo, kasama tayo lahat. Dahil sa Sigaw UP, kasama ka. I now give you my diamonds. First, a diamond that is strong and unbreakable. Tayo magtatatag ng isang student-centered council na tunay na kasama ka. In line with your Vice President's plan and your college representatives, we will conduct regular student and admin consultation through iConsult. We will know at ating tutugunan ng inyong mga hinaing or suggestions within a reasonable time frame. Kasama na rin dyan ang inyong mga student sentinels. Please, pakinubios tayo. Thank you. Yung student sentinels upang malaman namin ang inyong mga hinaing. Ikalawa, with an even more extensive information and issues dissemination, we will keep you all involved in the know sa ikalawang taon ng Chatterbox. At with one cohesive, inclusive College of Pharmacy, mas lalo pa natin palalakasin ang ating UPA Service League through centralizing the UPA Service League. Pagsasamahin natin ang mga service leagues sa anumang project throughout the year. Tulong-tulong tayo sa iba't ibang aspeto ng isang proyekto, hindi lamang dapat isang committee ang humahawak. Because empowering everyone in the college is the philosophy of this council. Second, a diamond that is able to shine bright like a beacon of light for others. In line with my personal advocacy and as head of the Health and Environment Committee, I will spearhead as your UPA Student Council pursues social responsibility. Siyempre kasama kayo dyan sa humanitarian efforts and acts of charity. Tulad na ng charity crusade at nung handog ni Isko, sinamahan niyo ako. We work together with the UPDUSC and the various councils inside UP Manila to serve people. We will now work with various NGOs and the League of College Student Councils to reach more beneficiaries. Bilang healthcare professionals to be. After all, we are studying in the National Health Sciences Center. At bilang mga scholar ng bayan, it is not just our responsibility, it is also our privilege to serve the people. Kaya naman samahan niyo po ako. Together, let us shine bright like a beacon of light to serve those who need us most. Third, a diamond that is sharp and able to penetrate barriers, cutting edge in external linkages and maximum student representation. As your outgoing college representative to the USD 34, it has been my job to bridge the gaps. And evermore, bilang iyong UPA President, sasamahan ako ng iyong Secretary for External Affairs na si Kimia sa Federation of the Junior Chapters of the Philippine Pharmacists Association. We will spearhead the early team building activity para doon pa lang makikilala na natin ang mga prospective FJCP-PHA officers. Also, we will have the Pharmacy Week. Siyempre, kasama kayo dyan lahat. Also, we will have the Gilas Pharma. This will be the pharmacy fair that culminates the Pharmacy Week. At syempre, makakalimutan ba natin ang JFED that will be tentatively scheduled on 2014. Because empowering everyone is our philosophy, no? And we're working with your Vice President in his Ionic. We will also work together with the various organizations within the college, strengthening our ties to serve our one common passion. That is you. At syempre kasama ng inyong USC representative na si Romeo Ramirez sa college, sa University Student Council, rather sa League of College Student Councils, maging na ang GASC or ang General Assembly of Student Councils, ating mga concerns sa loob ng kolehiyo o sa man sa UPM yan, makarating sa ating GASC or the General Assembly of Student Councils. Naramdaman ko na po ang mag-represent ng College of Pharmacy sa labas. Mag-isa po kung dinala ang College of Pharmacy sa General Assembly of Student Councils. Kaya dapat kayong magtiwala at dapat kayong maniwala na kakayanin ko ang pag-handle ng buong kolehiyo. Clear, embodying both transparency and accessibility. We will work together with your UPA Secretary for Internal Affairs, UPA Chief at ang Secretary for Finance sa kanyang investment check. Siyempre kasama si Ann Conde. We will release regularly annual reports, official minutes from General Assemblies, maging now audited financial reports. We will also have the end of the term address or ang EDTA. At syempre, ang inyong UPA SOPs or Standard Operating Procedures para meron tayong ibibigay sa susunod pang konseho. Because shining bright and being crystal clear and embodying both the freedom to information and the naked truth is our belief too. Diamond, unbreakable for a stronger student-centered council. Diamond, shining bright like a beacon of light for others. Diamond, cutting edge in external linkages and maximum student representation. Diamond, crystal clear for transparency and accessibility. CP, help me, help us, help Sigao UP, help you see once more the difference in how Sigao UP can serve you. Because through 11 years of consistently producing student leaders driven by passion, dedication, excellence, and service for the students, we only humbly continue the legacy for you. Kaya naman, sa darating na eleksyon, sigaw ba tayong lahat?
Sigaw smart!
Hashtag sigaw! Sigaw na sigaw!
Bakit sigaw? Boom na sigaw!
Sigaw in the boom!
All things sigaw!
GC sigaw!
Baby sigaw!
Sa iba't ibang tinig, kasama ka! Isa sigaw! Sigaw! UP! Ang ating universal calendar, ang inihanda ko ng inyong Sigao UP para sa 2013-2014 na akademikong taon. Inihanda na po namin mula April hanggang March of 2014 rather, ang inyong mga proyekto at aming mga inihanda para sa inyo. Maraming salamat and have a blessed day everyone.
Listen to my speech. Listen to my story. Listen to my life. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Charles Iron. Change. I run for change. I run for a fuller council. A council where everyone is empowered. A council where no one gets left behind. A council for the students, by the students. Just like a home in this building, a home in the UP College of Pharmacy, a home where no one gets left behind, a council, a home. This is your UFA Student Council 2013-2014. This council, your council, believes that UFA is more than just a council. UFA is a home. A council where everyone, again, is empowered, where everyone has the potential to lead, where everyone can create a positive change. Building a council is like building a home. You establish its networks. You solidify its foundations. You make your house a home by empowering its constituents. And finally, you ensure that the home you build could withstand any storm that may come its way. With that, let us build our home with full force, 3 full circuit, full pillar, full salute, and a full surveillance. Full circuit interconnects the fibers needed to create a bionic and flexible network. Interconnect the FJ and the UFA student body through the Federation Courtesy Call with the help of your Secretary for External Affairs, Ramon Corteza. Interconnect the committees of the Service League by standardizing the designation of tasks in all our UFA events. And interconnect the past, the present, and the future councils through your council linking, where your UFA officers shall adopt one project for revision, continuity, and improvement. And then we go to our second step. Let us make this circuit unbreakable by building a full pillar. Solidify the plans of your council through an effective semestral planning with your Secretary for Internal Affairs, your hot mama, Thea Agawan. Solidify the knowledge of the student body through the road to pharmacy, a collective orientation for our CP subjects organized by yours truly, Charles and Kay. And solidify the roles of pharmacy students in the healthcare profession by organizing the Health Month, where seminars, bloodletting programs, and medical missions will push through. Then we go to our third step, empowering the people behind the circuit and the pillar by giving them a full salute. Salute to our volunteer project heads by giving them the power to advertise their assigned projects. Salute to the batches behind the Lantern Parade by aiding your batch representatives in reserving a room in our college for your batch Christmas party. As the father of this council, it is my duty to give you a a full surveillance. Keep track of what the UFA says about our projects through the Youth Assess. Keep track of the academic and council performances of your UFA officers through the scene of the council operatives or SOCO. Your SOCO shall ensure that neither one is compromised during their service to the student body. This council, your council, challenges you to take part in building our hope. After all, UFA is not just about the student council. UFA is all about you. UFA is all about the student body. A student body where everyone is empowered, where everyone can become a leader. This council, your council, believes that in this room, everyone has the potential to lead. Everyone can create a positive change. Everyone can move and influence other people. We just have to discover it. And then step up and keep moving forward. Muli, ako po si Charles Ayran, ang inyong UFA President na tumatakbo sa ilalim ng partido change. With that, let us move forward.
Fortification. Organization.
Representation. Working together.
Audacity. Relevance.
And dedication. Let us work hand in hand as together we build our hope. Again, this is the coalition of hard-working students addressing the need for growth and excellence. Vote wisely, vote change.